Hi, I'm Rob from MicksGarage. In this very short video we're going to take a very quick 30-second look at the Rambo multi-tool. It's a brilliant product at a fantastic price. It has 25 functions in one compact tool. Let's take a look. So first up we have the Phillips screwdriver, we have a pick, we have a can opener, we have a saw, a nail file. On the other side it has a ruler. And then onto the other arm we've got a flathead screwdriver and a bottle opener. Then you've got the square head tool, which is to be used in conjunction with all the little bits and pieces that you get here. And if we can just get it out, that's magnetic as well, so they won't fall off. And then the bits that go in the end are also magnetic. Then we have the main cutting blade, and I'll just fold that in carefully. It's very sharp. And then you have large pliers. On the pliers you have a cutting blade, wire strippers, and then that folds completely flat, so it's really compact. And it also then all goes into a little neat carrying case which velcros closed, and it has a belt loop as well.